want to write mathematics JAMB and you don't know how to find square root without calculator. Don't go to that exam hall. Let's go. So imagine if you're going to be writing mathematics, you make sure you follow me because I'm going to be dropping a lot of tricks and shortcuts to your maths exam. So find the square root of these particular values. There's a trick to do it without calculator. Now let me teach you. Now look at this. You are given square root of 101. The concept is this: what is the closest perfect square, so that once you do the square root of that number, it is perfect, like you have a perfect one, because 101 is not as perfect as, let's say, when you say 100. Now square root of 100, everybody knows is 10, right? Hope you know why it is 10. Some people don't know. Let me teach you that. Because you know that if you have this means 10 times 10, and because these are the same, and you know 1 so the principle still remains. So this will be square root of 10. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Tell me, what do you say? Say it in the comment section. So that is why it is 10 raised by what? 2. And you know that this square root that you are saying is like times 1 over 2. That's what this thing means, 1 over 2. Then this will cut this. So that's why it is 10. See the way I'm breaking down simple math. So you must follow me. It's not only chemistry that I teach you. So now, let's leave that. That's not what we need. So because of that, that means the perfect one is what? Square root of what? 100, Abi? And what is left? Because this thing is more than this 100, so it will be addition plus, that means it will be what? 101 minus the 100 that you picked from here, right? All over 2 times what is here? Square root of 100. It's not hard though. Don't say it is hard. It's not. I just pick something that is close, right? In fact, the funniest is that I can pick anything. I don't have to pick 100. I can pick a perfect number that is higher, right? It's because I pick what is lesser. That's why I'm adding. Do you understand? It's lesser than this. If I pick something that is higher, I will be subtracting. It's some normal mathematics. So let's do this. So you know that this is what is 10 plus 101 minus 100 is what? Is 1. 2 times, this will be 2 times what? Square root of 100 is 10, right? So this is 10 plus 1 over 2 times 10 is what? Is 20. Now, this is basic mathematics. So this will be 10 plus, how many 20 can you see in 1? 0. Point. How many 20 can you see in 10? Still 0. Then how many 20 can you see in 100? Add another. This one is basic math. How many 20 can you see in 100? That's what? That's 5. 20 times 5 is 100. So that is why it is 5. So by the time you add this together, you see 10.05. Go and press your calculator. If you don't get exact value like this, perhaps you get it 0.049. That's what you get, or 48 or something. It will be very close. So in JAMB exam, there's no way you will get this and you will not get the answer in the option. There's no way. I've not seen that question. Okay, so very easy, very simple. So that's just the answer to this. So let's do this. Now, if I want to do that, I can say square root of what? 18, Abi? Now, what is close? What is the perfect square that is close to 18? 16, Abi? So that's why I would say, okay, square root of 16. For me to get this, right? That means because this 16 is lesser than this, that's why I'm adding. Plus, so that's what? 18 minus 16 all over 2 times square root of this. Square root of what's it called? 16. Right? So by the time you do that, this will be what? Square root of 16, which is what? 4. 4 plus 18 minus 16 is what? 2 all over 2 times square root of what? 18. Square root of 16, which is what? 4. So this is what? 4 plus 2 will cancel this. I'll have 1 over 4. So let's do this. What is 4 in? How many 4 can you see in 1? So 4 plus, how many 4 can you see in 1? 0. How many 4 can you see in 10? By the time you put a dot, you must add another 0. That's the rule in math. So how many 4 can you see in 10? Of course, you know you can see 2, right? And 2 times this is what? What is that? That's 8. How many 2 can you see in 20? How many 4 can you see in 20? How many 4 can you see in 20? That's 5. 4. How many 4 can you see in 20? That's 5. You know that now. So 5 times 4 is 20. So that's why this will be equal to 4 4.25. So that's the answer. If you go and use calculator, maybe you get it 4.24. Like, this is a trick. It will not give you the exact, but you will most likely get the answer. Okay, let me solve another one. So that you see that it's not fluke. Then I will now give you your own to solve. Let me solve another one. Let's say Let's say we have square root of 85. You know that 85, what is the closest perfect square to this? Is 81. So square root of 81, right? Plus 85 minus what? I will use two methods to solve this. 85 minus 81, abi, all over 2 times what is here? Square root of 81. That's the way you solve it. So that's square root of 81 is what? Is 9, plus 85 minus 81. What is that value? That's 4. All over 2 times 9, abi. So that is 9 plus 4 all over, or let me just do 2 here, 2 here, 2 here will go. So 2 over what? Over 9. So just do the math, the normal fraction. So this is 9 plus, how many 9 can you see in 2? That's 0. Point. How many 9 can you see in 20? That's 2. Because it will be 18. How many 9 can you see in another 20? That's another 2, abi. So go and this will be 9.22. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. Just know the rule. Should I solve one more? Tell me yes. I know you're not saying this, but tell me yes. I should go on, abi. Then I will not give you your own to solve. I want to solve this in another method. I want to solve this in another method, so that you understand that it's not rocket science. Now look at it. Let's say I want to solve it in such a way that it is not, I'm not using 85. I'm not using a lower value. You know, the square root I'm using here is lower than this. Let's say I want to use an higher value. You know, I can do it, right? Or let me just give another question. Let's say solve the square root of let's say 95. Now, you know, I can either use 81 or use an higher value, which is 100, because 100 is close to 95. I don't know if you understand. I want you to just understand the concept. So now let me use 100. You know, that means I'm using a value, because 100 is greater than this 95. So I want to use 100. So it will be square root of 100. Now, the question is, will it be plus? No, because this 100 you are using is already higher than this, because the square root of 95 will never be up to 10, which the square root of 100 will give. I don't know if you get the concept. So the square root of 100, so it will be minus, it will not be plus. I don't know if you get it. Do you get it? Like, it will not be, whatever you are going to be doing, it will not be plus. You have to minus it. Minus what? 100 minus what? 95 all over 2 times square root of what? 100. Do you get? Just like the way we have been doing 2 times what is here. But what I just want you to know, that what we are doing here, it will be minus. So that is why this will be what? 10 minus, this will be what? 100 minus this is what? 5 over 2 times 10. So that's why this will be 10 minus 5 over 20, right? So 5 here 1, 5 here 4. So that is why this is 10 minus 1 over 4 is what? I think we've done this before. That's 0. How many 4 can you see in 10? That's 2, right? Sorry. 0.2. So 2 times 4 is 8, abi? 8 minus 10, that's, it will remain 2. How many 4 can you see in 20? That's 5, abi? So by the time you do this, what will you get? This will be what? 9.75. Yeah. So that is the, can you see? But let's say you go and add, you go and use addition. You'll be getting what? 10.25. And 10.25, the square root of 95 can never be greater than the square root of 100 now. So 10.25 is not the answer. So you have to understand what I'm doing. That's why I'm using another method. Do you get? So it will be minus. That's just it. I can do it anyway. You understand? So the same way this, I can do it. So let me give you your own question to solve. Okay. So let's say find the square root of 104 and drop the answer in the comment section. Based on this method I've taught you, I've used like 5 examples. So you cannot say it's not clear. And if it's clear, just drop it is clear. You understand? So, but just solve this one, 104. I'll be checking the comment section and see the answer that is correct. I hope you get this. If you want to write mathematics, physics, or English, drop, just follow me. Swipe left and follow the chemistry tool. Oh my God, I forgot. If you want to register for our JAMB classes, that's the number up there. Is the math that is entering my head. If you want to register for our JAMB classes, message me on WhatsApp or message me on TikTok to register. It has started powerfully, and happy new month, okay? And go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos there every day. See you in my next video. Solve it to square root of 104. What is the answer?